Hello everyone, welcome to Ganit Academy. In this video, let us study about the absolute value of integers. So what are these absolute values? We can call this as modulus of integer also. So it's nothing but absolute value, it is the distance of integer from 0. Distance of integer from 0 on the number line. So now I will draw the number line. This is my number line. So you know that 0 is at the center. Then to the right of zeros you have the positive numbers, and to the left of zeros you have the negative numbers. So what is this absolute value? So if I consider absolute value of minus 5, we are actually finding the distance of minus 5 from 0. Or if you want to find the absolute value of 5, that means the distance of integer 5 from 0. Okay, so absolute value, it is represented by these two vertical lines. Okay, so whatever integer you have to place it, okay, that is in between these two vertical lines. This is also called as modulus or mod. So mod 5 or mod of minus 5. So in general, if a is an integer, we can represent the absolute value like this. Okay, that is in between the vertical lines you are placing the integer. So you must remember that absolute value is the distance. So the distance, it is a positive number. So absolute value is always a positive number. It is always a positive number. It can never be negative. So if you are considering a negative number or a positive number, the absolute value will be a positive number. So let us consider minus 5. So this is minus 5 on the number line. What is the distance of this from 0? So this is 1 unit. This is another unit. So this is another unit. This is another unit. And here this is another one. So add all these units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 units from 0. 5 units from 0. That means absolute value of minus 5 is 5. Okay, so this is 5. What is the absolute value of 5? See, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So if I add all this, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is also 5. So you can see the modulus of negative number and modulus of positive number, it gives you a positive result. And here we can see this have same answer 5. So whatever it is, mod of minus a is equal to mod of a, that is equal to a. So whatever it is, if you are having a negative number, just remove this negative sign, place the value. Here also this is actually plus 5. Remove the sign, just keep the value. So it is nothing but default, it is plus 5. Okay, default it is plus 5. So next we can see, you know that minus 3 is greater than minus 5. This is right. Because you know that on a number line, a number which is to the right is always greater than the number which is on the left. So minus 3 is greater than minus 5. Now let us take the absolute value, minus 3 and minus 5. Now we have to place the sign. Okay, so what is minus 3? Mod of minus 3, that is 3. What is mod of minus 5? 5. Because mod of minus 3, what is the distance? 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units from 0. Mod of minus 5, it is 5 units from 0. So 5 is greater than 3, right? 5 is greater than 3. So mod of minus 3 is less than minus 5. Mod of minus 3 is less than mod of minus 5. Why? Because this is a positive number. Mod gives you a positive number. This is equivalent to 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. But if you consider minus 3, mod of minus 3, that is equal to 3. Mod of minus 3 is equal to 3. Minus 3, and if I consider mod of minus 3, okay, so this is what? It is 3 and this is minus 3. So 3 is greater than minus 3. So minus 3 is less than mod of minus 3. Why? Because this gives you a positive number. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Okay. So this is all about the absolute value of integers.